Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to show you how I prepared prawn biryani. I've posted burnt garlic prawn biryani recipe. For this recipe I'll be using a green chili masala paste and this biryani turned out excellent. I've prepped all the ingredients required for this recipe and laid it out. So here I'll be using 300 grams of deveined and cleanly washed prawns. I've drained out all that excess water and reserved it. I'll be using roughly chopped onion, ginger, garlic, green chilies, coriander, mint, curry leaves. We'll require basmati rice. You can use any regular table quality rice. Yogurt, whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, peppercorns, cumin, fennel, chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. So I'm just preparing the masala paste and this is also going to be the marination for the prawns. In the mixer jar I've added ginger, garlic, chilies, mint, coriander. Half of the mint, coriander and curry leaves I've reserved for later. I've added curry leaves, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, peppercorns, fennel, cumin, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. I've just ground this into a coarse paste. Once I've ground this into a coarse paste, I've added yogurt and ground it into a smoother paste. So this is going to be the marination. So I've already washed and reserved the prawns. I'll add the marination to the prawns. I'll combine this marination and allow the prawns to marinate in this masala for 30 minutes. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. Detailed written recipes posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Here, I washed the basmati rice twice and I'm going to allow it to soak along with the prawns for 30 minutes. I've added enough water and allowed the basmati rice to soak. Once the prawn has soaked for 30 minutes, I've taken a wok, added oil. Once the oil has smoked, I've added bay leaf. I'll add roughly chopped onion, the reserved coriander, mint, curry leaves I've added and the whole chilies I've added. We'll fry all the ingredients till the onion turns transparent. For regular updates, friends, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Once the onion turns transparent, I've added the marinated prawns. We will not waste any of that masala. We'll wash all that masala and add it to the prawns for the prawns to cook. Now I'm going to fry the prawns for a minute's time. And after a minute, I washed that masala and I'm going to add it to the prawn to prepare a gravy. I've also added coarse salt for added flavor and taste. Add coarse salt. It will give you a very good taste. Now I'll cook the prawn for a minute's time in this masala. After a minute's time, I've drained that basmati rice and added the soaked basmati rice to the prawn and also measured and added water accordingly. So for 300 grams of prawns, 300 grams of rice is what I'm using. And accordingly double the amount of water. I measured the rice and double the amount of water I've added to the rice. We'll cook the rice and prawn on high flame for 5 minutes. Once the rice has absorbed most of that moisture, as you can see, just give it a stir once. Place it on the lowest flame setting. Place it on the lowest flame setting, cover it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, my prawn biryani is done. So it's turned out perfect. The rice is cooked well. If needed, you can add lime juice, but I liked it just the way it is because I've added sour yogurt anyway. Now I'm going to mix the prawn biryani and serve it as hot as possible. All the links to my blog and social media will be in the description box below this video, friends. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I've served my prawn biryani hot and with some raita. It was simple, and very tasty. Do give this recipe a try. If you liked my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.